took this internship, it was mid semester. Okay, so I had my internal assessments and all the projects work to do at the same time. So it was very difficult for me to concentrate on this. So I just took a 1 week and then completed all the videos, watching all the videos and doing the assessments. Even I had an extension of
Mm.
giving the assessments because I couldn't do this. And then the team supported me. Okay, we'll give you an extension. Like I asked for the dates 8 to 13 November, so they gave the